Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Dr. M Water. In today's video, we are going to show you how to generate alkaline water at home for just Rs 1 per liter. Alkaline water has tremendous potential to boost your immune system, which has become the need of the hour looking at the current scenario. We have taken this idea from the Korean manufacturer of alkaline water. This is a Korean bottle of alkaline water which is available in the market for Rs 2000. Hence, we thought of giving comparatively cheaper alternative to our customers by designing our Indian alkaline water bottle. We just have to add any plain water or packaged drinking water to this bottle. You can see the alkaline filter chamber is situated at the bottom of the bottle, and this bottle will convert the normal water to alkaline water in just 5 minutes of time. But this bottle is not very cost effective. Hence, we are launching our Indian brand of alkaline water bottle called MBBS Alkaline Water, which will be soon locally available in the market. This is a stainless steel water bottle, and the complete set, which consists of the water bottle and the V12 alkaline cartridge, will cost you Rs 1000 only, which is a very cost effective option. You need the bottle with two openings, one on the bottle and second on the lid of the bottle. This is our V12 alkaline cartridge. The cost of this cartridge is just Rs 700. You need to put it in the bottle and close the lid and open the flip cover of the lid when you need to drink the water. This bottle with two openings will thus prevent the cartridge to fall out from the bottle while drinking water. If you already have this bottle with two openings, you can just buy this cartridge from us. Now, let's see how to charge this alkaline cartridge before using it. Just open the pack of V12 alkaline cartridge and remove the cartridge, wash it in plain water, soak it in the water for a few seconds, and now it's charged and ready to use. Now insert the cartridge in the bottle and add plain filtered water to the bottle. Our stainless steel bottles have capacity of 1 liter. Now close the lid and shake the bottle for a few seconds. It's almost 2 minutes now, and let's check the pH of both the waters. This is our normal filtered water, and this is the alkaline water. See the difference in the pH of two waters. So this MBBS alkaline water bottle is very economical and can be used by office going people, school going children, and when you are going for traveling. Thank you for watching this video.